People working in software industry, pharma industry, and teachers working in private schools, doctors working in private hospitals, lawyers, they don't have pension after their retirement. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can create a pension of 1 lakh rupees without a pensionable job. This is Ram Charan. Welcome to my channel Ram Money. If you have not subscribed to my channel, click on subscribe button. For frequent notification, click on bell icon. There was a survey done by World Economic Forum about the retirement and the pension system in India. As per the report, as per the survey conducted by World Economic Forum, there are only 7.4% of working population have regular pension in India. 92% of the working population in India, they don't have pension. So retirement planning, 92% of these people have to do their own retirement planning. Unfortunately, we do planning for children education, for children marriage, for buying house, even for vacation we do planning. Unfortunately, I am seeing most of the people, they are not doing planning for their retirement. I will tell you why retirement planning is very essential. There are 4 reasons why we have to plan retirement. One reason is there is awareness of professional education in India, due to which earlier people used to study till 10th standard. Immediately after 10th standard, 30-40 years back, people used to start working. Now, due to awareness of professional education, people they study till age of 25. They do engineering, they do MBA, they study till 25 years, and after that they start working. So 7-8 years they have spent time in studying, so earning period has become less. And the one more important development what is happening is people are going to retire early due to various reasons. Earlier retirement age was 60 years. Now retirement age is reduced to 50 years. So what is happening? People are starting earning late and retiring early. So due to this, the earning period has been reduced drastically compared to last 30 to 40 years. And due to medical advancement also, the life expectancy has increased, which was 50 to 55 years for 50 years back. Now it has gone up to 80 years. That is the average life expectancy in India due to medical advancement. And one more reason why the retirement planning becomes very much essential is we used to have joint family system 30 to 40 years back. That itself was a kind of a social security for the working people. But unfortunately now we have nuclear families. So all the whatever the things, only the nuclear family has to plan. And fourth reason is due to inflation, the cost of living is increasing. Even if you take average 5% rate of inflation, if your current living expenses is 35,000, then after 20 years with the average rate of inflation of 5%, it will be 1.5 lakhs. So retirement planning is one of the important financial goal. For retirement, please note, there is no loan available for your retirement. So let us today I will discuss about a case study of Mr. Sunil Kumar. Sunil Kumar is his age is 28 years. He starts with a monthly investment of 10,000 rupees. His retirement age is 55 years. So Sunil Kumar, this guy has invested totally. He has invested about 32 lakh 40,000. So if you consider the average rate of return of 12%, the retirement corpus what you would be getting is 2 crores 16 lakhs. So this is due to the power of compounding. Sunil Kumar has his risk taking capacity will be more. So he started investing very early. So he got this 2 crores 16 lakhs corpus. So how you can if this guy invests in a instrument where he gets average 6% rate of return, so he will be getting a pension of 1 lakh rupees out of this retirement corpus without without affecting is the principal retirement corpus of 2 crores. He can easily make a pension of 1 lakh rupees. So how he can the magical formula what he used is combination of SIP plus SWP. In SIP, when he starts earning, he will be investing 10,000 rupees every month with a mode of SIP, and after once he retires, he can make a regular pension with using SWP. He can monthly withdraw amount using SWP. SIP, he will be pushing it the money. Is like you when you are young, your risk taking capacity is more. At the younger age, you start do SIP in equity funds, and predominantly equity oriented fund you can do SIP. Once you are reach the retirement age, your risk taking capacity will be less. Push the money into safer avenues like debt funds, hybrid funds, and dynamic allocation funds, and you can withdraw money for your retirement through these funds. If the rate of return of this instrument is 7%, you can withdraw about 5 to 6% for your retirement, which you can create a monthly income, pensionable income. Now, there you have to follow these two steps clearly. One is start SIP in equity mutual funds and start doing SWP in debt fund. And what the rule you have to follow is, if the debt fund is giving a return of 7 to 8%, you can do withdrawal of 5%. So 5% every year, so that the principal accumulated retirement corpus is not disturbed. So why this guy in this case study what I have presented, why he was able to achieve is Mr. Sunil Kumar started investing very early. If Sunil Kumar, if he has delayed by 1 year, his pension would be 98,000. So instead of 28 years, he started SIP. If he would have started SIP at the age of 29 years, his pension would be 98,000 instead of 1 lakh. Suppose if you would have started 1 year before, like instead of starting the SIP at the age of 28, if you would have started age of 27, his pension would be 1,21,000. So imagine the cost of delay. Imagine if he delays by another 5 years and 6 years, how much his pension would be reduced during retirement. So the magical formula is you start investing early. Start when you are young, start investing in equity mutual fund, and once you are reach the retirement age, put it in safer avenues like debt funds. Withdraw the amount to create a pensionable income. This is how you have to follow these steps, 3 steps to create a pensionable income. That's how you can achieve, you can get a pension of 1 lakh. When you start early, you can create a pensionable income of 1 lakh rupees. Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to share the video. Thank you.